everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a comic sticker on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut, click new project and add the video that you want to edit. And then after this, you can click a sticker at the bottom. And at the menu, you can swipe until you can see comic. This one, click on it, and in here you can see many comic sticker on CapCut. You can choose everything you like. Maybe this one, like this. You can adjust like this, and or maybe this one, like this, and click check icon in here, and you can set the duration like this. You can add again in here, add sticker, this one or this one. Like this, and after this you can click check icon again and set the effect until your video like this and finish. Show that how to add a comic sticker on CapCut apps. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.